Severe weather statement. National Weather Service, Wilmington, 0503 p.m. EDT, Sunday, July 19, 2020. OHC 017 057 113 165 1921450, Conkill SVW 0178.0000000T000Z 200,719 T2145 Z Butler O Warren O Greene O Montgomery O 503 p.m. EDT, Sunday, July 19, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. EDT for northeastern Butler, northern Warren, southwestern Greene and southern Montgomery counties. At 5:03 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Middletown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 mph wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Springboro, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Bellbrook, Carlisle, South Middletown, Waynesville, Hunter, Germantown, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, Centerville, Jacksonburg, State Route 63 at State Route 741 and Fort Ancient. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 31 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 44. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media, when you can do so safely. Hail, 0.75 and wind, 60 mph.